All right, guys, here is the recap for Friday, April the 16th. Looking good. Look at the ES going to 41.80 today. Looking pretty. Let's go back to the 1 minute chart right here. We were just about to take a trade. Trying to see if we can pull back from these 83s to the 77s. Let's go to the market profile. Looking nice. Finally, we broke out of that 78 area. Early on, we took a trade from 72s to the 70s and then back again. Now starting to look a little bit tired here with 8 minutes to go at 83. Look at this nice spike in the afternoon, right on the M period. Let's see if we can get it back. Let me put a lot here to work. See if we can get it back at 80, 82. Just a small one. I'm going to put a tight stop maybe of 2 points. Don't want to let it go too much. Now we are currently at 79 on the ES. Then I'm going to move on to oil. And we'll talk about the stock trades that we took this morning. Everything that we done for the week. It would be nice to have a nice recap. Oil settled down on 63.18, 63.20, excuse me. Let me move this out of the way a little bit. So oil was a nice move today. Let's see. What are we doing oil? We've been waiting for that correction of those singles, so 62.60. It didn't happen today. So what do we do after that? Well, we just went sideways most of the morning from 62.80 to 63. They did repair those singles throughout the day. They left them early on, and now let me clean them up. We no longer need them. And now we have a couple of things, right? For next week, we are going to have the 62.80s and 62.60. So let's go back here and do the following. Here is what I'll be looking for Sunday night, right? Right in this area. 62.60 and 62.88. See if we can take us back to 64. That is on oil. Let's go back to the ES, see if my order got executed. Nope, not yet. They haven't pushed it, but look how they are now selling off this 82 level, right? They just got their money. Let me show you what's going on in the book map for you to see it clearly. So here is the book map of the ES. The whole day we were waiting for that 41.80. And let me expand this a little bit. And check it out, right? Early on, we have them 70, well, what is it right now? 77 right now. So this morning, we were printing the 72s back to the 70s, 72s back to the 69. Finally, we broke out of this nice consolidation. Oops, that was too big of a brush, excuse me. I think this is gonna be better. So this was a nice consolidation right here in the for the day, right? Oops, I'm gonna make it black. See if I can see it. There you go. So this was the consolidation of this morning from that 72 to 69. We were here quite a while. We took multiple trades around the 72, 79. The last trade, I think we got it stopped out at 78. And this one, I just couldn't grab it. Look at this 82, now it's 76. Ouch. Let's see, let's go back to the tray. Oh, did I just minimize that? I believe I did. There you go. 41.76. Let me cancel the order for now. They are not. Maybe they are going. I don't want to chase it. How many minutes do we have? 5 more minutes to go. Let's see if they're going to prop it back up to 82 and grab it. Let's see what the book map is showing right now. Well, probably going to liquidate now into the 72s, 75. Okay, 77s now. Come on, push it back a little bit. Come on. 77. Let me go short. Come on. They did not give me that. At least the 80. Let's see if we can get it. Get a good push here. And then flush. There, I'm gonna move this out of the way for a little bit. Oh, come on. Go back up. These guys don't want to give me the 77. This is 76.50. Oh, they are selling it. For sure they are selling it. Come on, pick it up, pick it up. There you go. There you go. That's what I'm talking about. 77s. All right. Let's see. Here's the 82. Let's see if they're going to go grab it. 80 is the top of L period. Okay. Come on. Go back to 78, 79 at least. I'm waiting. Hit that 77 and we're going to be sellers. 77.50. All right, there you go, 676. All right, here goes the 77. Come on, get the order. I'm going to place one lot there and one at 80. All right, there you go. Move my stop to 82. See if we're going to get it back at 80, guys. That'll be really cool. Get the next one at 80. Get a nice average and let them flush it to that 72, 74 area. Come on, you can do it. Push to 80. I want that 80 right now. Come on, you can do it. 77, 78. Oh man, seriously? My target is the 70 on this trade. Gonna spend here the last 2 minutes looking at it, see if they're gonna push. And they're the 75s. They are lighting up the 75 guys and the 72s. So let's see if we can get the 80. Come on. Push that to 82. Overnight high is 78, huh? That's interesting. We are right at overnight high. Next week, wow, so close to 4,200 next week. Man, come on. Give me the tray, not the 1 point. There you go, 78. Push it to 80, come on. 80s are waiting. Doesn't want to give it to us, guys. Right, last minute of trading. Last minute, here we go. Last minute of trading. We're up 1.5 points on this trade. Not a lot. Want to grab another lot. Come on. Two or three lots on it. It is over. Okay, so these guys just closed at 77 and 77. I think they settle. And now we're printing the 75s. I'm going to move my limit to see if I can at least get those 2 points since they don't want to give me the 80 yet. At least 3 points. Let's go. Let's move it a little bit to 73. Come on, Nancy. Here is Nancy trying to give us a move. Come on, end period. You can do it. Push to 72s. There we go. Push to 75. Break 75, guys, and we're going to 72. So that's why they are defending here. It's only 1 point. Jeez, I thought these guys were going to really get to that 82. Money is money. Profit is profit, right? So it's about 2 points now. Just break the 75, baby. There you go. Break the 75. Get me at 74. Get those 3 points out of the way. Okay, not bad. And this was only one lot, by the way. Wanted to grab 2 lots there, man. But these guys, they did not give me the joy of grabbing those 2 lots. 74, 72 is the point of control, the volume, the VPOC. All right, get me out at 74. Last trade of the day. And then we're gonna go in and recap about the stocks and everything we did. Come on, man, these guys are not gonna get me. 74, you guys can do it. My order is sitting right there. Oh, my order is a 73. There you go. Get me 74 right now. 74.25. Screw it. Just gonna grab it. 2.5. Get me out. 125 bucks. And too bad we couldn't get those two. Well, we're out. Great. So we are out of that trade on the ES. Still, I want to see them coming back to the 78s. So I'll place an order to sell the 80. See, you never know if they can just find some buyers. Here's somebody at 82. Let's leave it the way it is right now. We'll come back to it later. So let's talk about it a little bit of what happened today in the market. We got a lot of trades that happened in the room. Let's go back to our Discord. Got a bunch of trades on apps, calls. We are short calls. We are long Twitter. We are long AMC. We are long some GameStop. So let's go look and recap everything. So now they're going back up on the ES. Look it up. I mean, check it out, okay? They're going back up on the ES. All right, so let's go and talk about the stocks. Gonna be a quick recap. It's about 10 minutes already, guys. Probably gonna do a recap later on. You know what? This is what I'm going to do. Instead of talking about the stocks trades that we did, I'm gonna talk about the ES for a bit. So let me move these out of the way and go back here. So yesterday video on YouTube, whatever I posted yesterday on YouTube, we were talking about the importance of 7180, right? You guys remember 4180? Excuse me, I keep saying 71. 4180 for the ES. So not bad. I mean, today it was slow in the morning. So this is the video from yesterday where I talk about the 4180 level. Let me just go and find it really quick. Where are you? Here's the video. So found the video for the ones that we talked about yesterday, and we were, I mean, literally in the room giving you guys the idea on how to trade the ES. Okay, so here is the video from yesterday. And remember, I mentioned to you guys, look for the 51, right? Look for the 51 and start looking for a move into the point of control and then to go back up. So we can either stop on the 5750s and then go back up to the top, which was the 80. Ultimate target was 4180. So let's see, let's do a recap and see what happens. So here is the overnight, right? And where do we stop? Right at 54. So this gives you a pretty good entry overnight to go long on the ES. This morning we opened at 4177. The moment we open, started giving some liquidation, right? We got a nice liquidation of inventory. We stopped right at 4161, which by the way was the previous day settle. So that was a really nice move. We stopped at the previous day settle and we started slowly grinding between this 72 and 69. Well, there it goes. Now we have the 4180. What's next? 4200, right? I mean, we are that close. We'll see how Monday is going to work. But our next target for sure is that 4210, 4225. That's what we'll be looking for on the ES. On oil, the trade on oil will be the following. All right, let me go back to the oil. Oil trade will be to wait for the 62.84 to start going long Sunday night. If we get the 62.60, even better, right? We can go back up all the way to the 63.50s and eventually the 64 even. That is the trade to be looking for Monday on oil. On the stocks, so let's go back to the stocks quickly. I'm not going to spend too much time on the stocks. This is what we have. Oh, they are not going to give me that, so I'm going to place one at 78 just in case. Let's go back to the stocks. This morning we did a bunch of trades. Currently I am long AMC right at 929, about 300 shares right now. I want to accumulate as much, maybe as 1,000 shares on AMC. So what is my target on AMC? I'll be looking for at least 10 bucks, right? The target will be to get $9.75 to $10 on AMC. So let's go back to GameStop. GameStop just did a quick trade this afternoon before the close of the market. I am long about 25 shares now, about 154.85. I already did 50 shares early in the morning. I closed them at 154.91. Got a pretty good return, about 1% of return. Always look for 1 to 2 or 1 or greater on your returns. If you look at my portfolio, which I am going to show you right now at the end of the day, here is my portfolio, how we keep track of everything in the room. About 1%, 2% returns per trade. Right? No losses. I mean, this was a great week. I think the only loss was this one on very small loss on Tesla. We're going to go a recap on that as well. So what do we have for GameStop? GameStop, I'll be looking for the 160 Monday, right? Let's see if we can get on the 160s. And my stop, or at least I'm going to be looking to add below this 150. I have an alert already set up on GameStop. Look at the 140s. If we get them, great. All right. Another trade that I did this afternoon was on Boeing. I have an order, I believe, on Boeing. I closed it at 248 and change. You guys saw me going long, 246.80. And I closed that baby, what was it? 248 and change. What is my Boeing trade? Here's the Boeing trade. I haven't recorded yet, so I'm out of the trade at 248 and change. I was looking at 249. We did printed 248.51, so it was not there. I got out right there, right at the close. So I will update this on my Boeing trade. Let's see. Let's go put it up right now before I forget. So there you go. Boeing. This was the long 246.80, 248.37. I think is the one that they fill me. Let me check their fill on that, and I'll let you know what's going on. About 0.5%. Not bad, but want to be on cash for Monday. Apps, I went long. All right. Digital Turbine, I've been trading this all day today, since yesterday. Went long 75.55. You can see my order right there. Traded about 250 shares this morning. I'm still long 50 shares, 75.55. I also have a credit spread for May, 65.60 on apps. AMC, I already gave you the trade of AMC. Oh, calls, I am short KSS. Calls 59.63, and look at this thing just starting to rip lower. Hopefully this is going to be a good trade back to 58 on Monday. I am short 100 shares. My average is what? 59.63, right? This is my average short calls for Monday. Apple, I missed the long on Apple at 133.50, so that was really bad. I didn't set up my alarm to go long. So I'm going to wait for Monday on this one. Crocs. What's going on with Crocs? Oh, look at this. Crocs, 79 bucks. This is not bad. Unfortunately, can I trade this after hours? This is not a bad entry. Now they close it. So after hours, I don't think you can get it. Let's see. 100. Nope. Did not accept it. Okay. Let me make it a single. 79.04. Not gonna happen. Let's do, what is the ask? Oh, 78.26. So no, I cannot do it. This is a nice entry. So let's look at Crocs for Monday. Crocs is gonna be on my watch list. Crocs always play the 78 to 82, about $4 on return. So that's not bad on Crocs. KSS, you guys saw me going short. Oh, so this tray is gone. Let me close this tray. Okay, Boeing update. Okay, there. Close buying at 248.37 for about $1.57 profit. Okay. $1.57 profit or plus 0.64 percentage of return on that. So that's my buying trade. Apps is open. Digital Turbine is open. GameStop is open. I have 25% on my GameStop still. AMC is open completely. AMC trade, I have 300 shares. We are open for Monday. They are the only ones that are open. Calls, I have open 100 shares short. And Twitter, so Twitter, I went long at 70. You guys see me here is going long 70.08. Actually, it's 708. It's not 7004. This is a typo. 7008. I'll be looking for 7150, maybe the 72 area for Monday on Twitter. Okay, this is the trade for Twitter. Got about 200 shares today early in the morning. Now I'm long 100 shares for on Twitter. Oil, we did a couple of trades on oil. We did a bunch of trades. If you look, we have a bunch of trades done on the ES. We captured about 7 handles on this trade. We went short, long 41.67 on the ES. So this was a very, very nice trade. ES right about here, 67. Okay. We took the long 67 above the VWAP and all the way to 74. At that point was when we were developing this wedge, and when we broke out of the pennant, there you have it, all the way to 41.80. Currently printing 73s, so not bad. Left about a point on the table there on that trade. Looking good. Oh, look, printing 72s now. Wow. Okay. So settling into the last 2 minutes of cash settlement for the ES. All right. So this is the only thing that I have for you guys. Please, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, go ahead and subscribe. eslive8_.com. Check out our website, eslive8.com. And don't forget to check our Twitter, right? We have a Twitter account, eslive8. Let me give you the handle, right? Here is our Twitter account. Oh, I think I have it right here. There, where are you? Where's my Twitter? Oh, I got rid of the Twitter. Where's my Twitter? Ah, it's not there. All right, let's go back to Twitter and let's put on Twitter. So here is our Twitter account. And if you are all fancy, I think I just posted this afternoon on the chat here. Where are you, sweetie? Where is my link for my story? So I'm starting to post more stuff on Instagram for you to see it. A couple of things that I will be doing is posting my recaps. I'm going live on YouTube. So I'll try to make a schedule so that you guys can see me trading live in YouTube every day, Monday to Friday. I'll create a schedule for next week and I'll keep you posted. So please go ahead and follow me on Twitter. Go give it a like to my channel. Subscribe to the channel. Click the notifications bell so that you get notified, every time a video goes up. Here is the day trading live that I did this morning. It was a test. And I apologize. There was music in the background. I completely forgot about it. About the need. So they have not gone back to 130. So there you go. So here is my live. I play that usually. Today I went live for the first time. YouTube. So please come check us out. If you would like to see more day trading live and how we set up our trades, please come check us out, subscribe. Don't forget, just hit the subscribe button, click the little bell so you get notified when new videos come into YouTube. All right, guys, so this is the recap. It's about 20 minutes long. I will see you guys Monday. Have a great weekend. Enjoy. Later.